In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use NextDoor app to promote your business. If you're a local business, especially trades, builder, plumber, electrician, gardener, and you want more local clients, keep watching. I'm Alex from Brilliant Digital. If you're new here, thanks for watching. I create videos just like this one, helping people get more out of their websites and leverage digital marketing in their business. If that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button below. I've launched a video a couple of months ago where I showed step by step how to create a business page on NextDoor. If you haven't seen that yet and you don't have a business page, definitely check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. Whilst that was more of a technical how-to guide, in today's video I want to focus more on the strategy side of things. So let's start with why should you use the NextDoor app in the first place? Because we all want more business, but rather than waiting for the customers to come to us, we need to go where all customers are. That's why we want to have a website for those who are searching for our services in Google. That's why we want to be on social media, because chances are a huge chunk of our prospects are using Facebook. On Facebook, there is this huge opportunity to promote your business in various local groups. They're usually named based on your neighborhood, your city. So if you're not part of any yet, definitely use the search function and find some in your local area. Once you join them, apart from the overall community chit chat, you'll notice that there are a lot of businesses who promote themselves, so you can do that too. Although I'll suggest you read the group's rules first, as every group is different. And on the other side, you have people who are looking for recommendations. They are looking for a plumber, they are looking for a gardener, a builder, electrician. That's why I said it's very important, especially for trades, businesses. Although I have seen people also looking for various businesses like web designers, accountants, financial advisors, and many others. Now, what does the NextDoor has to do with this? Well, because that's exactly how NextDoor works. But you don't have to join any groups because it's very much focused on your area and the neighborhoods around you. It's a social network for neighbors. Therefore, there's an opportunity there because there are people who will be looking for services like yours on NextDoor, especially if you're a trades business. So that's why you want to be on the NextDoor app. Moving on, how can you use this to promote your business? Well, there are different ways, but it all comes down to recommendations. First of all, you can be active, and whenever you see people looking for a service that you provide, you can join that conversation and see if you can help them. And the NextDoor app makes this easy because you can turn on notifications on your mobile app and be notified when someone in your neighborhood makes a post. The other way is to get known in your local community, build relationships, and assuming you've done some work for people in your area, they might start promoting you if they are using NextDoor. If they are not, you can invite them to join. This is basically traditional word-of-mouth advertising, which is the best way to market your business. And as I mentioned earlier, you also have the option to create a business page. If you don't have one already, check out the description below. I'll put a link to a tutorial I've created on how to set up a NextDoor business page. The advantage of having a business page is that now people will be able to, number one, leave you a review, and obviously the more reviews the better. So if you've just created the page, definitely get in touch with some of your previous customers and ask them to leave you one. And number two, yourself or other people, when they recommend you, will have the option to tag your business page directly in that specific post. That way, the person who was looking for that service will be able to find out more information about yourself, what you do, see your reviews, and potentially get in touch. That's why it's important to get as many reviews as possible. People buy based on reviews. I know people who swear by it, the fact that they get a huge chunk of their business through NextDoor, so make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. If you're looking for other ways to promote your business locally, check out the videos on the screen now. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.